and happy Saturday. Hope your weekend is off to a great start. This video is all about comfy. So let's start this day off with a delicious cup of coffee. And this video is also sponsored by Lollyfit Home, a company that makes throw blankets to fit every style and every comfort level. Lollyfit provided me with some beautiful blankets to add to my home for style as well as for cozy and comfortable use. So right after we make this delicious cup of coffee, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Really good. I have to have my coffee first thing in the morning, guys, or we can do anything. So I do want to say thank you guys for always stopping by, tuning in to my channel and watching my videos. You guys know how much I appreciate you. If you are new but you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can become a part of the family too. And to my subscribers, my family members, y'all know I love you so much. Love you to the moon and back. And I cannot thank you guys enough. Also, guys, if you have not yet hit that notification bell, please do so that you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So guys, let's go ahead and get into this video and I will see you soon.
You made this work, I made this worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways.
So I will get started on showing you guys each of the blankets, and by the way, this is one of them. So here's the first blanket. I'm gonna show you guys the blanket. This one here is the chevron beige. That's the color. So I'm gonna style with this one first, and then we'll move on to the other two because I do have 3. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with this one first. And so what I like most about these blankets, you know, right upon taking them out of the package, they are so light and so soft, guys. I am not over exaggerating, but these things are really super soft, really soft, and they are light. And I like them because they're not like most of the throw blankets that I have, which are really heavy. And sometimes I don't want a heavy throw blanket. I just want something light to wrap around me if I'm laying down watching TV, or if I'm out on the back, or you know. These are even good to keep in the car because I keep my house and my car really cold. So anytime someone comes in my car, my house, they're like, it's cold. So I would like to keep one of these in my car as well, because I think it'll be nice to have this in the car. So yes, guys, this is what it looks like. And again, this one is chevron beige. That's the color. It is a lightweight throw blanket, and it has the fringe or the tassels here on the end. And then we'll go ahead and get to styling this beauty, okay? So this one, guys, I'm gonna style at my dining room table, and I'm gonna style it in one of the head chairs. And I'm just gonna drape it over this chair to bring a little more texture to it and a little more style. So I'm not gonna do too much to it. Just kind of add it in like this. It's so pretty. I like it. I like it, guys, because it is not too heavy. Like, you know, sometimes you don't need a lot of heaviness going on in the space. You just want something that's gonna just kind of be right there where you can just throw it in and it fits right in. So I think this is cute right there, and I'm gonna add a pillow to that as well. So look how cute that looks. That is so cute, right? That is gorgeous. Really pretty. Okay, and so here's the second one. This is the second one, and the color for this one is corn beige. Very, very, very pretty. I like the color on this. And as you can see, guys, this one has a little more fluff to it, yet it is still super light. Very light. Very light. And this one as well is so super soft. And here's the fringe again on the end of both sides. But this one is nice as well. And I think all of them are 50 by 60. I'll double check if I'm not correct. I will let you guys know. But I believe they're 50 by 60. Very nice. So let's go ahead and style this one. Okay, so guys, I have the last one, and the color for this was listed as yellow, but it's not quite yellow because it has all of these other different colors in it, but I guess for ordering purposes, it's yellow. But this is really nice, really nice. And again, it's made the exact same way as the other ones, very light and very soft. So let's go ahead and style this one as well. thank you guys for sticking around with me until the end of the video. And as always, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. See you in the next video.